Day 2 of Homegrown School is happening today, and it is sponsored this week, all of Cooking Week, by my friends over at Six Sisters Stuff. I've got their meal plan right here every week. Amazing meals straight to my inbox. I don't have to spend any time meal planning. They are the best. Today we are talking all about microwaves, microwave safety, things to cook in the microwave, what not to cook in the microwave. We're gonna make a few fun things. We're gonna make popcorn in a brown paper bag. Did you know you could do that? And some little mini cheese quesadillas. So let's get started. Our first step today, just like it was yesterday, is to
wash our hands.
Washing our hands.
Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Wash your hands.
Next up, we're going to talk about microwave safety. You don't really think about it when you're an adult, but I know as a kid, I was witness to some pretty destructive things happening in the microwave. Things being cooked way too long, or things that shouldn't have been put into the microwave, put in there, sparks flying everywhere. So it's important to teach your kids microwave safety. And the first thing we're gonna do, hey boys. So I put out a bunch of different containers and Tupperware things, vessels on the table. And I have a microwave safe and a not a microwave safe area. And I'm gonna have my kids try to classify these and decide what they think would be safe in the microwave and what would not be safe in the microwave.
Oh, I can be. Okay.
Okay, this is the microwave safe side. So everything you think can go in the microwave over here. Everything that cannot go in the microwave over here.
Okay, I think this cannot go in the microwave. No. Can this go in the microwave? No, I don't think this does. This not. I don't think this goes in the microwave.
Okay, let Dallas help. What do you think about the knife? Put it on the no side. Okay. This is the no side, remember? You think those are a no? Can't go in the microwave, or do you think they can? Look over these, and if you guys want to switch anything,
I do.
Switch it now. What do you think, Paisley? Okay. Anything else? Colt, do you want to switch anything? Yeah? Good, good.
I think this might
You think the knife can?
be. I don't think it does.
Why not? All right, now let's talk about a general rule of thumb with microwave. With putting anything in the microwave, one thing that you don't want to put into the microwave is metal.
I know.
So if there's anything that's metal that you had on the microwave safe side, let's move it over. Yes, you definitely don't want to put that metal thermos into the microwave.
It's not metal. This is not microwave safe.
So a lot of plastics are microwave safe, but you know how you can tell if something is microwave safe? Often, if you look on the bottom of the bowl, it will say, and this one says, do not put in microwave. Can you see that?
Do not put in microwave. Yes.
So it's always good to look on the bottom of things and see what, and oftentimes they'll tell you if they're supposed to be put into the microwave or not. Okay, and then from this not microwave safe pile, you can put a paper plate in the microwave. You know how sometimes we reheat stuff on a paper plate?
That's what I said.
That can be in the microwave. And yeah, I would not put a plastic cup. If it got too hot, it could melt.
This is like the same as this, so I don't.
Yeah, you don't want to do metal. Tinfoil, if it's crumpled up, can spark in the microwave.
This can.
Yeah, so that has metal on it, so that means you don't want to put it, right? So anything with metal, don't put it in the microwave.
And it could touch something and poke it in the microwave. Or if it says like on.
So all microwaves are going to be a little bit different. This is our microwave. Dallas, can you point to where the handle is? Good. Where does it say the time? What time is it? There's the time. Colt, where is the start button? Good. Paisley, where's the off button? Have you guys ever noticed these up here? So this button you can press and it will cook popcorn. This button is for cooking or heating up a beverage.
What is a
So if you're heating up like a glass of milk or for hot chocolate or water for like an herbal tea or something, you can heat that up in here. Cooking a potato, a special setting for that, and then reheating something. And the reheat button senses the steam coming out, so it will stop when it senses the steam getting to a certain temperature. Then you have all of these express cook buttons. What happens if I just press one of these?
They will turn into, it'll go right here and it'll say 1 minute.
Yeah, so these are gonna automatically, on our microwave, this will automatically go for these amount of minutes. So this, if I press this, it'll go 1 minute, and 2 minutes, 3 minutes, up to 6 minutes. What if I want it to go for 90 seconds, a minute and a half? How would I do that?
Well, so there's actually 2 ways you could do it. You could either press time cook and then press 90 for 90, but you can also do 1 and then just press add 30 seconds.
Very smart. Nice job, Cole. You're right. There's 2 ways to do it. So if you want to do something that's not an even 1 minute time or even not 30 seconds, what if you wanted to do 45 seconds? Then you would press the time cook 4, 5.
Wait, where's the 5? Okay, 45.
And then you'd press start, but we're not gonna start. You never want to start the microwave when nothing is in it, because that can actually ruin the microwave. So now we kind of know how to use it. There's also something you guys probably won't use, but power level is going to control how hot it's getting. So sometimes if I'm just trying to get butter a little bit soft or something, then I will cook it at like 20%. I'll cook it at a lower percentage, but you guys probably don't need to worry about that. So that. All right, the last thing to mention with microwave safety is what can happen if you're heating up something and it gets super hot. What can happen to like a container that food is in?
It can melt.
No, this won't melt. It can get very hot. So how do you want to get something out of the microwave if the container it's in is very hot?
With like a rag or an oven glove, maybe?
Yeah, I would do it either with a rag, or you can get like an oven mitt and grab both sides of the bowl, because it can be very hot. Also, something you need to watch out for is steam. If you're cooking anything that gets super hot, it can be really steamy. So don't put your face over the bowl if there's hot contents in here. You don't want to look into the bowl because steam can come up and burn your face. Yeah, just put it down onto the counter or the stove and let it cool. Also, if you're heating foods, you want to make sure to stir them, because the microwave can heat things like maybe the top is really hot and the bottom's not as hot. So you want to mix the food so that the temperature evens out throughout the entire contents. All right, the first thing we're going to practice making is some little tortillas with cheese. So like little mini quesadillas.
I didn't even know we had these.
I know, they're so tiny, huh? So get 1 tortilla and put it on your paper towel. And then you're going to sprinkle some cheese on it.
Big handful.
No. All right, how long do you guys think we would want to cook these so that the cheese melts?
About like 30 seconds, I think. Or 1.
I think 30 seconds is probably a good bet. So you want to make sure that you don't put food in the microwave and just walk away. You want to watch it, and as soon as the cheese melts, take it out, even if the time's not done. But we'll start with about 30 seconds. So go ahead and open the microwave, Dallas.
Whoa.
Oh. Okay, carefully put your paper towel.
No,
okay, now close the microwave. All right, do you know how to do 30 seconds?
No.
So look for the button that says add 30. 30, right there. All right, you were watching and you saw that it was basically all melted, and we only needed about 15 seconds. So go ahead and use the paper towel to pull it out, because the tortilla might be hot.
Oh my God. have to hold it on.
Nice job. Perfect. All right, next up, we're gonna make some popcorn in the microwave. And I didn't have any like microwave popcorn bags. So you can actually make popcorn just with popcorn kernels and a brown paper bag. Have you guys ever done this? It's pretty neat. So we're just gonna open our brown paper bag.
You can have a 1/3 cup.
We're gonna do 1/3 cup of popcorn kernels. Yep. Put it right into the bag.
That's lovely.
And then you're just gonna fold it over twice. And you cook it in the microwave right like that. And it has nothing on it, it's unflavored. We're gonna melt some butter after, and then we'll put the butter, melted butter, and sprinkle some salt on it. All right, so we've got most of the air out of the bag, and it's folded down twice, and we're gonna stick it face down. And then we're gonna do the popcorn button, and that usually goes between,
35 pops.
I think that's like 3.5 minutes. Popcorn usually goes between 2 and 3 minutes. So you can start by pressing popcorn, but you wanna take the popcorn out when you hear about 1 to 2 seconds between pops. So once it starts popping, then you listen for the popcorn, and when there's 1 to 2 seconds between pops, like they're really fast in the beginning, and then they're like, and so when it slows down, that's when you know it's done.
It's popping.
It's popping. Kind of hard to see in there. Okay, we're getting close to being done.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, I think that's probably perfect. Okay, and here's a little trick for when you're popping your own popcorn. There's usually several kernels at the bottom that don't pop, and we obviously don't want to eat those. So, here, let me hold this.
Yeah.
I just cut a corner off the bottom of the bag, enough for a kernel to fit through, but not enough for popcorn to fit through. And then I just shake the bag into, I'll do this. I shake the bag into the garbage. And all of the unpopped kernels come out that hole at the bottom. Then we don't have any extra kernels.
It's right here.
All right, we're gonna pour that popcorn into a bowl.
Ta-da! Picture popcorn.
Looks good. No kernels in there. Now we're gonna melt a little bit of butter. So we got our glass bowl.
How much butter do we need?
That's about 2 tablespoons. That's probably kind of a lot for that amount of popcorn. So maybe half that.
Need to learn how to do.
Using our knife skills to cut this butter. Nice job. Take off the wrapper, and then we'll put that in the glass bowl. How long do you think we should heat that?
20 seconds, maybe a minute.
Oh, I don't think that long. Let's start with 30, but you'll probably have to take it out at about 10. You gotta watch it close, and as soon as it is melted, then you take it out.
When you see it's melted.
Sorry, Nelson.
All right, how long did that take? Make sure the bowl's not hot. Is it too hot, or you're okay? All right, now drizzle it over the popcorn.
Drizzle it over the popcorn. Drizzle it over the popcorn.
Ooh, and then Dallas, let's put a little salt on there.
Do it fast.
Can you sprinkle some salt?
Yep.
Just
Right here.
Oh, sorry.
And then Paisley, you can stir it all up. A little bit more salt. All right, give it a stir, Paige.
I want to close it.
Buttered salted popcorn.